Happy Friday, parents. Today is April 9th. I cannot believe that we are in April already and we only have about 5.5 weeks left of third grade. This week, I saw some huge changes after spring break with the kiddos. I just noticed a different maturity when they came back and a little bit different ownership for their work and for their behavior. So I definitely see that shift to fourth grade already happening. And though it breaks my heart to lose them, I'm so excited for their futures and for the rest of their grade. So this week in reading, we worked with two different texts that we analyzed for informational purposes or literary purposes. And they worked on doing extended responses and writing to the text. In math, we worked on different rotations throughout all of the classrooms. With these rotations, we reviewed all of the units that we've worked through in third grade so far. Some of the biggest units that we are noticing that still need some love is we're noticing that they need help with perimeter and area, so we're definitely hitting that a little bit harder, and then continuing to work on time as well. In writing, we started one of my favorite projects of the year. We're working on research, and so they are researching a national park. And so please ask your kiddo what national park they're researching. If you have books at home, that would be a great resource to send in. We've pulled all of the resources from the library, and then we have also found a great bank of resources online as well. And so we are learning about these national parks. We'll do a full research project, and then at the end they will be able to get stamps for becoming junior experts in the national park research. So we are super excited about this unit. In science, we are still finishing up weather, and so thank you to those of you who tracked weather over spring break. And those who didn't, no worries at all. The kiddos are doing a great job of tracking weather in class. Other than that, upcoming events, next Tuesday we will have our spelling test, but then on Tuesday we won't get a new list until the following week. During the week of CMAS testing, we do not give homework, and so we will not have homework next week. The testing will be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and the kiddos are feeling super excited because I know how prepared I think they feel super prepared and ready to go. If you have not sent back that top secret packet, please do so by Monday. And no worries if it's not till Monday. Plenty of time. If you have any questions over the weekend, let me know, but have a great weekend and enjoy the weather.